Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the convection fan blade in your double oven gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. You will need to pull the range away from the wall, then lift up the front of the appliance and support it in the center. Unthread the two lower screws, securing the door retaining brackets to the frame. Open the door and unthread the upper screws securing the brackets. Rotate the hinge locks back. Loosen the brackets and use tape to help secure them to the door. Now partially close the door, then lift and pull the door toward you to remove. Remove the support and lower the appliance. Remove the oven racks. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screws to release the convection fan baffle. Use a 1/2-inch wrench to unthread the convection blade nut clockwise to remove. Pull off the old fan blade. Install the new convection fan blade by aligning it on the motor shaft. Then thread the nut counterclockwise and tighten. Reposition the baffle and replace the screws to hold it in place. Replace the oven racks. Support the front of the range. Then reinstall the door by inserting the door hinges into the hinge slots. Reposition the retaining brackets and rotate the hinge locks forward. Rethread the upper screws to secure the brackets. Close the door and thread the two lower screws to fully secure the retaining brackets. Remove the support and lower the appliance. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the gas range should be ready for use.